Hi, I'm Steve, Snaplify's EdTech teacher. Today, I'm going to show you how to add users and set up user permissions in Snaplify Engage. Once you've signed your educational institution up for Snaplify Engage, the next step is to add student and staff users to the platform. If you registered your school platform, the admin permission type will have been set for your user account by default. The default user role for everyone else is learner. You will need to assign permissions for other staff members so that they can access the parts of Engage that they need to. Only users who have been assigned an admin role will have access to the administrative functions like adding users. So, to get started with adding users, you'll first need to log into Engage. Once you've logged in, you'll start on the overview page. From here, navigate to the settings section by clicking on the cog icon. There are a few different ways that you can add users to your Snaplify Engage platform. One way is to invite users in bulk using their email addresses. This allows your students and educators to create their own accounts on your Engage platform. To do this, you click on the Invite Users button from the settings page. To send the invitations, click on Send Bulk Invitations. Here, you can paste the list of user email addresses into the area provided, with each email address on its own line. You'll see examples of this below the block. When you're ready, click Invite to finalize your selection. Each individual will automatically be sent an email with step-by-step instructions to register a user account on your institution's Engage platform. This is by importing them. Start by clicking Import Users from the Settings section. If you're on the Engage Enterprise tier, you'll be able to make use of Snaplify's Google Directory integration or Microsoft Azure Active Directory integration here. This means that Microsoft or Google institutions are able to pull all accounts from their directory and link these to Snaplify so that individuals can use their accounts to sign into Engage. You can also import your users from a CSV file on this page. The benefit here is you have the power to assign classes and groups, passwords and account logins if you do not have a school directory. You can use a generic password which students can reset as required. To help you out, we've given you an example to refer to and a template you can download. Using this as a guide, input the user data as shown and remember to include the top line in your header row. Then, you have the option to paste the text from your CSV file into this box and then click the Import button. Or to select the CSV file from your computer using the Upload section. Choose the file, then click Upload. Another really easy way to add users is to add an authorized email domain so that anyone with an email address ending with that domain will be able to register and join your Engage platform quickly and painlessly. From the Settings section, click Email Domains. If your users have a unique school email address, such as steve@snaplifyhighschool.com, you can add the unique email domain here to give all of them access. Remember, anyone with an email address ending with that domain will be able to join your Engage platform. So do not use email domains like Gmail, as that will provide access to any Gmail email address owner. Once you have saved your authorized email domain, remember to notify your students and staff that they can register on your school's Engage platform using their institution emails. To help you, we've created an email template that can be sent to all your teachers and students. You can assign user roles to your staff so that they can get access to different sections of the Engage platform from the user section. Here, you can use the search bar to locate and select the user. You can also select several users at a time. Once you've made your selection, click this button to assign a user role. Select the type of permission from the list. You can assign more than one permission type to the same user. Then click Save. For more videos covering different features of Snaplify Engage, be sure to visit our YouTube channel.